Food inspector raid on the factory making the most favorite foods of Pakistanis, human bodies recovered from many trucks. Disclosure of human meat in food. Mercy News website Daily Buzz report, a food inspector raided in McDonald's one-day factory in the United States, found out the guy used to prepare beef hamburgers was human and horses. Not only so, but there were several trucks present in which human bodies were lying. After this horrific discovery, extensive investigations found that 90% of the restaurants used to be used in meat and 65% of horse meat. FBI agent L. Harrison has even told that meat used for the manufacture of hamburgers is not older but also children. After this discovery, a wide range of worries in the McDonald's customers worldwide, including the United States is McDonald's fastest complaints about the foods of fast foods. There was a lot of complaints about the foods. Another interesting thing has been revealed that the company is taking meat to the people who are eating meat.